Did you know high blood pressure is one of the most dangerous, yet most silent health threats facing older adults today? It's called the silent killer because it often has no symptoms until it's too late. In fact, it's a major cause of nearly half of all heart attacks and strokes worldwide. But here's the good news. You can take control naturally. In this video, we'll go through 10 proven science-backed strategies that can lower your blood pressure safely, effectively, and without medication. 1. Adopt the DASH diet. The DASH diet, short for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, is one of the most powerful eating plans ever studied for blood pressure control. It emphasizes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, while cutting down on processed foods, sweets, and saturated fats. Studies show it can lower blood pressure by 5 to 6 points in just a few weeks. So fill your plate with color. Think spinach, berries, beans, and salmon. Your heart will thank you. 2. Reduce sodium intake. Too much salt stiffens your arteries and raises blood pressure, often without you even realizing it. Most people think it's all about the salt shaker, but here's the shocker. 80% of sodium comes from processed foods and restaurant meals. The goal? Keep sodium under 2,000 milligrams per day, about 1 teaspoon of salt. When Finland cut national salt intake by 30%, deaths from heart attacks and strokes dropped by a staggering 80%. So next time you shop, read labels carefully. Your arteries will feel the difference. 3. Eat more potassium-rich foods. Potassium is your blood pressure's natural balancer. It relaxes blood vessel walls and helps flush out excess sodium through your kidneys. Great sources include bananas, oranges, avocados, spinach, and beans. Studies show that increasing potassium can lower blood pressure by up to 7 points. But a quick note, if you have kidney issues, talk to your doctor before making big dietary changes. 4. Exercise regularly, especially isometric workouts. You've heard that exercise helps, but new research shows that isometric exercises, like wall squats and planks, may be especially effective. A 2023 meta-analysis found these moves can lower systolic blood pressure by up to 8 points. And the best part? You don't need a gym. Just lean against a wall, bend your knees slightly, hold the position, and feel your body getting stronger and your pressure dropping naturally. 5. Maintain a healthy weight. Here's a simple rule. For every 1 kilogram you lose, your blood pressure drops by about 1 point. That means even small weight losses can make a big difference. Focus on gradual, sustainable changes, like smaller portions and more movement. 6. Limit alcohol intake. While a glass of red wine can have some benefits, too much alcohol can raise your blood pressure, especially if you drink more than 2 servings a day. So moderation is key. Enjoy occasionally, but don't let it become a daily habit. 7. Quit smoking. Nicotine instantly raises your blood pressure. Over time, smoking also damages your arteries, making them stiff and narrow. A perfect storm for hypertension. The moment you quit, your blood vessels begin to heal, and within weeks, your circulation improves dramatically. 8. Prioritize sleep. If you're sleeping less than 6 hours a night, your blood pressure may already be paying the price. Poor sleep, especially from sleep apnea, can make hypertension worse. If your partner notices you snore loudly, gasp, or choke during sleep, talk to your doctor. Treating sleep apnea can lower your blood pressure and give you back your energy. 9. Manage stress the healthy way. Stress itself isn't always the problem. It's how we handle it. When we cope with stress through overeating, smoking, or drinking, blood pressure spikes and stays high. Try mindful breathing, light yoga, walking in nature, or even journaling. Just 5 minutes of calm each day can make a measurable difference. 10. Bonus, get a pet. Here's a fun fact. Studies show that pet owners, especially dog owners, often have lower blood pressure. Why? Companionship reduces stress, and daily walks keep you active. In one study, adopting a pet lowered blood pressure more than some medications. So if you love animals, that's one more reason to bring a furry friend home. Recent research, including the landmark SPRINT trial, found that people who kept their blood pressure around 120 over 80 millimeters of mercury had a 25% lower risk of heart attack and stroke, and a 27% lower risk of death. So aim for steady progress, one habit at a time. You don't have to change everything overnight. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate your wins along the way. Remember, even with perfect habits, some people may still need medication, and that's completely okay. Lifestyle and medicine work best together. High blood pressure doesn't have to control your life. With the right habits, you can protect your heart, sharpen your mind, and feel stronger every single day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Elderly Wellness Secrets, and share it with someone who could benefit from these natural solutions. And tell us in the comments, which of these 10 strategies are you going to start today?